Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I'm coming at you with a drawing for a giveaway I'm having. I had a video last week that I posted, which was a craft haul video, and at the end of the video I asked anyone who was interested in joining the giveaway. I shared some items that I was giving away. Most of them are Valentine's items, and you had to email me indicating that you wanted to be in the drawing. So I didn't have very many people enter, so I don't know if they stayed to the end of the video, but we do have a few that did. So let's see who will be up for the drawing. So first we have Melissa M, who's Most Creation. Hey, Melissa. And Betty P. Hey, Betty. How's it going? We have Lily. Hi, Lily. Beautiful name. Kara. Everybody's name is pretty. Kara. Tina C. It's Crafty Bean. And then we have Leanna. What's the deal? So, only a few, but hey, there can be a winner. So I'm going to shake the items up, the names up, in this little giveaway basket. And then I'll draw a name. So let's see who the winner is. Put the basket over there. And the winner is Liana. Hey, Liana, I have a gift basket, or not a basket, but a gift box, I guess. I'm going to mail it in a box for you. And give me your address. Email me your address. You have my email address. So go ahead and email me your address so I can get your winnings out to you. So thanks for watching, everyone. And I hope everyone is warm and toasty. And if you were hit with a lot of snow, your snow is melting. And hopefully you'll have a great day. Talk to you all soon. Bye.